Why does concrete sealant sometimes sink or pull away soon after application? When sealant pulls back or sinks, it usually means the joint was not prepared to hold the material. Start by removing loose debris, dust, and old sealant with a wire brush and compressed air until you see clean concrete. If the joint is deeper than 1/2 inch, use a compressible backer rod, sized to sit slightly below the surface so the sealant bonds to the sides only and not the bottom. Avoid applying fresh sealant over damp surfaces and allow any cleaning agents or water to fully evaporate. Moisture prevents proper adhesion and can make the material slump. When layering sealant, allow each layer to skin over and tack up per the manufacturer guidance before adding more, because overbuild traps solvents and causes shrinkage and pullback. Tool the bead with a concave finish within the working time to ensure contact with the joint faces and to remove air pockets that can later collapse. Common problems are failing to remove dust and loose material, which lets the sealant sink into voids instead of bonding to the joint faces. So clean mechanically and with a dry wipe before priming. Another frequent issue is not using a backer rod for deep joints, which allows the sealant to rest on the bottom and suck down. So size and seat a compressible backer rod to control depth and create the correct joint geometry. A third problem is applying additional layers too quickly or on a cold, damp day, which prevents curing and leads to shrinkage. So follow cure time recommendations, apply during appropriate temperature ranges, and wait for tack-free set before overcoating. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare previous project discussions that relate to sealant repair and joint preparation. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community, where professionals and homeowners share practical tips and real-world outcomes.